Dude.
What?
Dude. Milton, dude. What are you doing, dude?
Mr. the Disembodied Voice?
Yeah, dude. What are you doing, dude?
I'm sleeping.
You sleep in the lab?
I sleep when the sleep fairy comes. I sleep where that happens.
Dude, are you hungover?
Maybe? I'll get back to you.
Dude, where's the video for today, dude?
I was about to. Yeah. I was about to do it, and then I fell asleep, and, yeah, that's pretty much the story.
Are you gonna do the video now, dude?
Yeah. What would you like to see?
I think I'd like to see a song, dude.
A song?
Yeah, dude. I want you to do a song now. Dude.
You had to throw that in there.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, song. Give me a minute. Whoop. I am wearing a. Oh. I am wearing a tape head crown on my head. I am balancing a tape head crown, and if it falls, I'm dead. I don't want this tape head crown, but I have got no choice. I just want to go back to sleep, but then there'd be noise. I am wearing a tape head crown. A tape head crown is mine. I am wearing a tape head crown, and it's slipping off. It's slipping now. I don't want to die, but I've got to try to keep my tape head crown. See you Monday. Good. Whoa!